All right, here we go. Good morning, everybody. Shane here from the Brookings Home Team, powered by Century 21. Got Stacy here from Guaranteed Rate this morning to go over our Monday morning mortgage tip. We took the week off last week. We had a sick individual, and then Plan B didn't work out either. So, but we're back now. Now, next week, before I forget, is President's Day. So Monday we will not be on, but Tuesday morning we'll be back. So. With that being said, Stacy, what do you have for us today?
Well, good morning. I wanted to talk today about when you're applying for a mortgage and sometimes things don't work out. Maybe it's a credit issue, maybe it's debt-to-income ratio is too high, things like that. A lot of times the response we get is, well, I'll just have so-and-so co-sign, you know, friend, relative, loved one, someone. And it comes up a lot, and it seems like it should be a really easy fix, and it's not. Some programs don't allow a non-occupant co-borrower, somebody that's not going to live in the home, to be on the loan. Some do. If it's a credit issue, that never works just to add a co-signer. The reason is so when you apply for a mortgage, lenders use a tri-merge credit report. We're getting in the weeds here a little bit, but which means they pull from all three bureaus. So each person, if you and I were buying a house and doing a mortgage together, it would take my 3 scores, your 3 scores. The middle score for you and the middle score for me, and then the lower of the two. That's just how the industry works. So if your credit is where it's not, or it's not where it needs to be, adding a co-signer isn't an answer because it's still going to have your worst credit score on there. If it's debt-to-income ratios, that sometimes is a different story. But there's ways to fix credit. I know that's been a tip before too. Sometimes time is the only thing that will cure some of that, which is the most frustrating because people aren't patient nowadays. But so co-signing is a little bit different beast. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I usually encourage the parent, if it's a parent, that there's other ways they could help out instead of co-signing on a 30-year commitment. So maybe they could help pay something off. Maybe they could gift them money down. Something that's not quite such a long-term, forever commitment. So, yeah.
We were talking offline here, and I mean, unfortunately, if that person defaults, then you as a co-signer, you're responsible.
And sometimes you don't know. That was one of the worst. We all have those moments where it's like, oh, I hope I never run into that again. A couple had come in to refinance or do some financing, and come to find out there was a mortgage reporting on their credit that was really bad, like 8 months past due. And so when I said, do you own another property? And he's like, no. Then I had to kind of jog his memory, and oh, gee, it was the mortgage they'd co-signed for their daughter. Well, as a co-signer, sometimes you don't even get the statements. A lot of times it just goes to whoever. I got to break the news to him that he had a really bad mortgage on his credit, and is just a bad deal. But and it did. So now the dad's credit's ruined for a long time because it takes a long time to make that up. Yeah. So there's other ways that parents can help, or aunts, uncles, grandpas, whoever, in other ways other than just co-signing. So
perfect. All right. Great information. You said you've had a couple of those questions this past week, and our team had that too here in the last week. So it's like perfect timing for that. So if you have any more questions about that, or would like to talk to Stacy more in depth in that, please give her a call. Again, all of her information is on the top, on the bottom, on the sides, wherever your device allows you to see that. So feel free to reach out to her. And if you have questions or anything other than that, our team, of course, would be happy to talk to you as well. So that is this week's Monday Morning Mortgage Tip. And before I leave, a shout to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
So it's Stacy's birthday today.
Yes,
so
thank you.
If you're seeing this today, be sure to still
we won't disclose ages either.
Age
We're a non-disclosure.
Non-disclosure. So happy birthday, Stacy.
Thank you.
Again, thanks for watching, everybody. Feel free to share and tag this video with anybody else you feel would benefit from it as well. And we're always here to answer your questions. So again, we'll be back next Tuesday because Monday's President's Day. So thanks for watching. Have a great week. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.